Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankar. Andarki Shubhodayam. This video will become very important, particularly for those who are dealing with the Domestic Violence Act. The crux of the issue is whether FIR can be registered if the husband fails to pay maintenance under Domestic Violence Act Section 31, whether it can be read as Ejusdem generis or NOSCITUR A socis. This will be useful for the interpretation students. Very, very important. In the case of S.Amal Raj versus State, represented by Inspector of Police Devakottai PS, in CRL MP Criminal Miscellaneous Petition number 6953 and 6954 by 2018. On March 6, 2025, the Madras High Court cleared that yes, FIR can be registered under Section 31 of the Domestic Violence Act for non-payment of maintenance, but should be sparingly done, should not be resorted to in each and every case. If that be the case, the criminal courts will be overflooded with these maintenance cases once again. We'll go back to Section 125, 128 CRPC. Then what is the purpose of getting this Domestic Violence Act in 2005? All these things we are going to discuss now. Let's understand the brief facts of the case. Mr. Amal Raj, S.Amal Raj, he married Kanika Mary on 21/8/1989. As a result of the wedlock, they have given birth to two children. Quite very normal story. Later, differences cropped up between them, or disputes arose between them, and she filed a petition. She means Kanika Mary. She filed a petition under Section 18 and 19 of the Domestic Violence Act, that is for maintenance and for protection. Right. On 21/4/2011, the Judicial Magistrate has ordered maintenance, of course, under two heads. For the wife, 3,000 rupees per month, and for the children, 5,000 rupees per month. So this man has to pay monthly maintenance of 8,000, 3 to the wife and 5 to the children. On this, Mr. Amal Raj went for appeal. Of course, appeal was partly allowed. That means he need not pay maintenance to the wife, but the order relating to the children, that is payment of 5,000 to the children, is confirmed. Right? So that is partly allowed. Now, this man came to the, actually, he did not maintain properly. He did not pay the maintenance properly to the children, and she has made a petition to the magistrate through the protection officer under Domestic Violence Act that this man is not paying the maintenance regularly. As a result of which, the magistrate forwarded the matter to the police to conduct inquiry or to investigate. Basing on the complaint come from the magistrate, the police registered an FIR. This is very, very important. They registered an FIR and they have filed the charge sheet also, and the Honorable Court, that is Magistrate Court, took it on file and gave STC number 1393 by 2011 under section 31 of Domestic Violence Act. The crime number is 228 by 2011. Now he has come to the High Court for the quashment of the FIR because FIR should not be registered under Domestic Violence Act. So what he pleads is, Amal Raj, on his behalf, the advocate pleads is, my lord, it's the fact that he could not pay the amount, but he was previously regularly paying the maintenance because of his loss of job or something. Maybe the reason may be anybody. He could not pay the maintenance. Simply because he could not pay the maintenance, can you put him in jail? The normal or the proper course is to give a distress warrant or distinct warrant. Under section 125 or 128 CRPC, FIR is not valid. And the magistrate has erroneously taken cognizance of the matter. But Honorable High Court held that recovery, when you fail to pay the maintenance, what is the alternative? Suppose in maintenance cases under section 125 CRPC, if you don't pay the maintenance, what will happen? You will be sent to jail. There is no other alternative. You will be given some 1 or 2 adjournments, then you will be sent to jail. So sending to jail of the same class, Ejusdem generis. So collecting the maintenance, failure to pay the maintenance. If you fail to pay the maintenance, then you have to go to the jail. Maybe in the shape of civil case, maybe in the shape of criminal case, maybe in the shape of FIR. They belong to the same class. Second, section 31 should be read NOSCITUR A socis. That means you have to understand the meaning with the associated words. The associated words are, you have to get maintenance. How? Somehow you have to get the maintenance. This is one way of getting the maintenance. And please remember, section 8, yes. Section 31 deals with the failure of section 18, that is maintenance. Yes, FIR can be registered. There is no legal bar. But of course, the court should have properly inquired before going to such extreme step. It is observed that that man has been paying the maintenance regularly for some time, maybe due to some extraneous circumstances he could not pay. So he should be given a chance. Simply she filed a petition, this is announced to the police, and police they have registered a case, is not correct. Procedurally it's correct. Procedurally it's correct. Yes, court can take cognizance of the matter, but because in this case, since he has previously paid, take a lenient view. So therefore, yes, the STC registered against him, that is FIR, is hereby quashed. So you have to remember the case laws also. The defendant case law, important case law he cited is Sunish versus State of Kerala 2022. That FIR cannot be registered. Normally, at the most, the district warrant can be given. That's also a very, very important case law. And now it is clear that an FIR can be registered. Actually, when this act came in the year 2005 and in the year 2007 or so, we held meetings with the so-called Mahila Sangams at Rajahmundry. These and SP Sri Nagireddy IPS sir, he has also attended in some Rotary Hall or something we have conducted. And at that time, we perused the FIR. The Domestic Violence Act, no punishment is given there. Any mention jail, protection order ivochu, maintenance order ivochu, even any punishment is not kanapaledu. But now it is clear. So కొన్ని సందర్భాల్లో పొరపాటు పడుతుంటాం కాబట్టి section 31 is a coercive section, can be used but sparingly. If you understand this much, it is sufficient. చాలా మందికి ఇది లేదు, డొమెస్టిక్ ఇదేముందిలే డొమెస్టిక్ వైలెన్స్ యాక్ట్, ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఆఫీసరు ఏదో ఇల్లు ఇవ్వమంటాడు, అద్దె కట్టమంటాడు, మెయింటెనెన్స్ కట్టమంటాడు. సో 125 CRPC, సెక్షన్ 13 ఆఫ్ హిందూ మ్యారేజ్ యాక్ట్, 24 ఆఫ్ హిందూ మ్యారేజ్, ఇవన్నీ ఏం చేస్తాను అనుకుంటారు. కానీ బీ కేర్ఫుల్, ఎందుకంటే 31 FIR కెన్ బి రిజిస్టర్డ్ అని వచ్చింది. ఓకే, విత్ దిస్ ఐఎమ్ కంక్లూడింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.